What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again for another video, and this is going to mark episode 4 of my prop firm journey with Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures. And yeah, today is currently August 23rd, Friday 2024. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this one started. Not going to waste your time. I appreciate y'all as always for always tuning in. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. There was just a lot of there was a lot of stuff going on within this area right here. So I was like, okay, when I was setting my orders and my limits and all that, I was like, we're most likely gonna break out to the downside today. So that's what happened. As you can see right here, we got into it on a sell in both accounts. And yeah, so this one had a lot of consolidation around my entry, right? This one, it didn't have that much drawdown. It did go into a drawdown at one point, but for the most part, it was really just consolidating around my entry a lot. So yeah, and yeah, as you can kind of see right here, I'm gonna just kind of play it. You know, I just want to show y'all, this is a short one, so I guess it really didn't take that long since the video clip is shorter. And yeah, currently also as you can tell by the title, this system is on a 13 win streak, right? So it hasn't lost since 2 weeks ago or something like that. I'm gonna show you the end results at the end of the video. But as you can see right here, we started to get some bearish momentum, right? So at this point, when price was right here, right, I was like, okay, we have a good chance of price hitting my TP. But I also got to remember that some of the trades that I did see when I was coming up with this system, it did come super close to my TP, and then it reversed, and then it either reversed and it hovered around my entry, or it reversed and hit my TP when it was this close. And that was kind of the kind of vibe that I was getting from this trade too, because as you can see, look at this area where it came to with where my TP. Look at this area that it came to for my TP, and then look where it's at right now. You know what I'm saying? So this definitely was consolidating a lot within this general range. It didn't, like I said earlier too, it didn't really have major retracement, but as you can see right here, it definitely did have retracement, right? So basically, for the most part though, it was just a waiting game. You know what I'm saying? That's really what trading is. It's really just a waiting game, a mental battle too, because a lot of people may have saw this and may have closed right at break even. A lot of people may have closed right here but didn't get full TP. A lot of people may have added position. You know what I'm saying? Trading is a mental game. There's no right or wrong way to do what you got to do, because nobody know what the market is gonna do. I didn't know if this was gonna lose. I didn't know if this was gonna win. Of course I have thoughts in my mind, but for the most part, I just, you know what I'm saying, just trade. You know what I'm saying? Just trade and wait. That's all we could really do for the most part. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see right here, we are back in drawdown. So like I said, price was kind of hovering around my entry, and yeah, that's pretty much all it was really doing until it actually made its move. And yeah, but this is what I'm talking about. You gotta have that patience when you're in the market. That's why yesterday's title was Patience Pay, because bro, that if you haven't checked that episode out, go check it, because that retracement, everything that happened within that trade was very, very you had to have patience with that trade for sure, definitely, because of that retracement that happened. The deep retracement, actually, this one has retracement, but it wasn't deep how it was yesterday. So y'all could go check that out too. But yeah, it really just been hovering. That's all I was really doing, just watching the trade, honestly. I was just looking, just seeing okay, what's gonna happen, what is it gonna do, all that good stuff. And yeah, as I was saying earlier though, this system is currently on a 13 win streak, bro, and I didn't even realize it, because at the moment where I found this system wasn't at the actual beginning mark. So I didn't get to trade all 13 days, of course, but forward testing and back testing this system in the demo, and then in my personal account. Then now we're bringing this over to the prop firm, as you can see by my journey and stuff like that. Once I've been able to get my data and I feel comfortable trading the strategy in the system, I'm okay, bet, let me, you know what I'm saying, let me go apply it for real. You know what I'm saying? So currently, I'm gonna actually put it up on the screen somewhere too, that this system for August, the month of August, is literally on a 13 win streak. So it won 13 times, it took 0 losses. The first week of August is basically tied to last month of July, right? So July, I don't count that first week, basically, because like I said, it's tied to July. So basically, I'm starting my month of August on the second week and up till now, right? I could also show y'all the results for July as well too. I'm gonna put that up on the screen too. So basically, the total points that gained for July was 5.4, and the total points that gained for August is around 40 points, bro, 41.4. I'm gonna put it up on the screen because I don't remember the exact number. But basically, and as you can see right here, like with my trade, we finally got that bearish pressure coming back into the market. So basically like bears, you know, in the market right now. We're just like currently waiting. Like I said, it came like further down, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell from this like wick right here. The wick was like around here at first, right? But then there was another wick right here that came down, and as you could kind of see right here on the recording too, I was hovering my mouse over the take profit thing because I was like, okay, should I take this because it's like real close to my TP? And normally I do, and low-key like I could, but I just let it ride to my TP, my full TP, and basically like it had took me out partially, and then it went back. Remember what I said about the confirmations? Well, I don't know if you're coming from like my first couple like videos in the series, but the confirmations, like the way how you're like taking partials and how it fills you in with micros, it's like it's not going to get you in, it's not going to fill you in until that one tick like into whatever, like your TP, your entry, or stop loss, right? So yeah, that's going to be the results for this trade. Super quick, honestly. Like I think this trade took about like 9 minutes, so wasn't very long. I was out before, you know, the market basically reversed, bro. So this is why I love negative risk to reward too, because I was completely on the wrong side of the market, right? I don't do any deep analysis. I don't look at other time frames. I don't do all that, right? With this certain system. And basically, I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen too. The market like just reversed. It reversed like instantly. As soon as it hit my TP, it reversed. Like, I don't think it went lower than the point where my TP was at, right? That's why I love negative risk to reward. That's why I love just getting in and out of the market, getting those quick moves, because I don't want to be in here long. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not trying to stay in the market for like I'm not, like, me personally, like I just don't like being in the market that long. I love trading, but I don't love trading. If that makes any sense, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.